Hi, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I am going to try to make some salmon patties. It's probably been 10 or 15 years since I have made any of these. So we're just going to see how they turn out. So what we first need to do is I want a fourth of a cup of finely chopped up onions to go in this. Not many, just a few. Just got a regular onion. But I've already got a half of onion that was in the refrigerator, so we're going to use that half first. I may even have enough for my fourth right here. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I am going to be cooking this in air fryer. I don't think I have used this air fryer but twice. So we'll just see what I'm going to turn out with it. You never know. And make sure you cut it up real fine. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We both might learn something new. That should be pretty close to what I want. And like I say, we're going to be using our air fryer. You don't need to drain your salmon. I always pick out the bones and this dark skin. It's just me. Some people say that these little bones, they're so little they're fine to just leave in there. And they probably are, but I've just always made sure that they were all picked out if I can. Get it all mashed up. I'm just using a can of Bumblebee Seafoods pink salmon. A fourth of a cup of finely chopped onions. And we need 1 egg. Just going to beat it just a little bit. And let's get that stirred up in there. That seemed mighty easy, didn't it? Easy. And we need a little bit of flour in there. We don't need a lot of flour. Just need something to make it stick together a little bit. That's just a tablespoonful of flour. I'm going to do 2 tablespoonfuls. There we go. If you put too much flour in there and it seems to it's too stiff, all you got to do is fix another egg. Break up another egg and put another egg in there. There we go. I'm just going to put a little flour over here because I'll show you a secret to this. Get your air fryer. You do need to spray the bottom of your air fryer. And what we're going to do, we're just going to take how much you want your patty to be, and then just pat it in the flour. Lay it in your air fryer. I used to just always fry mine on top of the stove a long time ago, but I know Tom liked all of his air fryers, So he always was air frying everything, or XL cookers. I may have to have 2 pans of this because, like I say, you shouldn't crowd them. I'll make 1 more. Oh, I have 6 in there. And we're going to cut it on. And we're going to set the temperature at 400. And we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. We shall see in 15 minutes how this turns out. Okay, this has been cooking for 15 minutes, so let's just see what we've got. Well, they do look done, but let's put one in a plate and find out. Okay, let's see what we have got here. Let me get a knife and we will cut right into it. I definitely sometimes need more space on my counter. Well, it looks done. So we're going to try eating one. And this is nothing in the world but pink salmon, an egg, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped up onions, and some flour to pat it in. Yeah, that definitely looks done. So we shall give it a try. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Subscribe to my channel, please. Offer me your comments. And come back to see me. Have a fantastic day.